In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a promo code in the Airbnb app. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you have more than one, because any eligible promo code, travel credit, or promotional credit will only apply to the account it's associated with. Once you're signed in, search for your destination just like you normally would when planning a stay. Enter the location, dates, and guest details. Then browse through the available listings and select the stay you want to book. Take a moment here to review the property details so you know you're moving forward with the right reservation. After choosing your stay, tap reserve or request to book, depending on the listing. Airbnb uses different booking flows for different properties, so don't worry if your screen says one option instead of the other. From there, continue through the reservation process and carefully review your booking details before heading to the payment screen. This is important because promo codes or credits, when available, are usually applied during checkout rather than earlier in the process. When you reach the payment section, look for a promo code field. If your region supports promo codes or if the specific promotion includes one, you'll be able to enter the code there. Type it in carefully, then tap Apply. It's a good idea to double check for any typing mistakes, since even a small error can keep the code from working. If you don't see a promo code field, that doesn't necessarily mean you're missing anything. In many cases, Airbnb automatically applies any eligible promotional credit or travel credit already connected to your account. So if you were expecting a discount and don't see a place to manually enter a code, check the payment breakdown and booking summary before continuing. At this point, review the full booking summary to confirm that the discount or credit has actually been applied. You should see the adjusted total reflected before you finalize the reservation. This is the best time to verify everything, including the price, dates, and any fees. Once everything looks correct, complete your payment by tapping Confirm and Pay. After the booking goes through, check your confirmation details to make sure the promotion or credit was successfully used. That final confirmation is the easiest way to verify that your discount was included in the completed reservation. And that's how to redeem a promo code in the Airbnb app.